What is up, SOARER fam? We're heading to the video. We're here at the shop. Today's dyno day for the SOARER. My buddy Corey's back in the car right now. We're heading on our way to Epexi, USA, and it's going to be a sick-ass day. We cannot wait. This car's actually going with us to Supers in Vegas. Corey had been gone for a few months back, getting deployed. Car had been sitting. Went ahead and got some brand new rims, whole bunch of new upgrades that never, well, all the original upgrades never got filmed by us, but you're going to be able to see everything that we did initially. If you want to watch any of the install of all the new parts he went ahead and got done, it's all on the video that's going to be getting aired before this. But right now, we're gonna go ahead and hop in the car. We're gonna go ahead and follow him over to Epexi, and let's get it, guys. Let's see what we make today. All right, guys, so it's a beautiful day. We're here at Epexi, USA. Corey SOARER is on the dyno right now. We went ahead and just hooked everything all up. So we're gonna go ahead and start rolling right now on the 91 octane, get all that stuff done, and then go for some power. My prediction is gonna be that we're probably gonna hit about 420, 430 on pump gas. Wastegate springs, since we put 2 in it, and we pulled the one 10-pound out and put 1 5 and 1 7, we should probably have about 14 pounds. I'm assuming 15 pounds at the wastegate. So that's kind of my prediction. On E85, customer wants 550. I think on the changeover from E85, we'll probably get somewhere around 500. So I don't know, let's just see how she does. So it looks like we're about to get a full pull-in right now, but at about 5,000 RPM already, we're doing above 400 horsepower, which is better than what he did on the other one. I believe he did like 3 something on his dyno before on the stock computer. So huge upgrade. I mean, I think he's gonna be super stoked right now. Spill it all over your car. Help him, Caden. Just do it for him. Or lift the back up.
He's got it, dude. He's a beast.
Yeah, he does look like a beast. It makes you look like a bitch next to him. What'd you say? My arms are just as big?
And I'm taller.
So E85 is in. We're done with drivability already for the E85 changeover. Let's see what she makes. 460. If you didn't up the boost, I don't think so. Just on the change to E, that's the difference right there. 55 horsepower difference. Dang, a turbo noise is right there. guys, so I don't know if you just saw that little fiasco, but during the pull, water was spraying out the radiator like all the way on the wall over here, getting everybody angry because it made a huge mess. So we're gonna go ahead and change the radiator cap. I'm assuming this one probably was the one that's been on the car since like day one. Maybe he's changed it, I don't really know, but since we're out of Pexi, you know, they do make their own caps and they are super nice. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on, and we'll get back into doing pulls. Alright guys, so that was pretty much the last pull. Super happy with how everything came out. Looks like the radiator cap ended up holding. Good old Pexi USA, you know, having that all happen. So final numbers on this thing, 583 horsepower and 500 torque. That's just beautiful, guys. Good day. Are you happy?
Oh, yeah.
We're done over here on Dyno. If you guys want to see the reaction of the car being driven, this is Corey. He's got all his camera equipment, and the video is gonna be super dope. We're gonna go ahead and get the car back to the shop, finish all the cleanup, putting the car back together, and then it's gonna go ahead and go home. It's a really cool topic I kind of want to go over. You know, if you guys weren't really big 1JZ fans and everyone's about this whole 2JZ thing, you know, the 1JZ engine didn't used to be as expensive as it was like right now. It used to be actually really reasonably priced, and it was actually my personal favorite for engine over the 2JZ, especially because when I started doing JZ stuff, I mean, a 1J was $1,200 and a 2J was somewhere around $2,000, you know what I mean? Like, it wasn't a huge difference in price, but like, you could straight buy a 1J with the RM54 for like $2,800 to $3,000, and it was like the most killer thing in the world to be able to just slap in, you know, your twin turbo 1J, or, you know, and slap a single turbo on it because they already come map, and, you know, all this cool stuff. So 1JZs are very underrated, you guys, and I wanted to just kind of go over it real quick and not take too much time just kind of bouncing around talking about nothing, but just the fact that, you know, the 1JZ by far is so underrated. And the thing is nobody builds the 1JZ engine, which is kind of dumb because, I mean, like, dude, you guys see the numbers. Like, we make almost close to the same amount of numbers as a 2JZ makes, and everybody still says like, oh, you know, oh, it's just a 1J, or oh, 1JZ. Like, it's a pretty big achievement, man, to be able to make 500 or 600 horsepower on a 2J or a 1J in like almost stock platform. So, I mean, opinions, guys, you know, like, let me know what you guys think. I know everyone's, oh, 2JZ the world, you know, 2JZ this, 2J that. Like, yeah, the 2J does make more torque. It is a torqueier engine, but it's a 3-liter over a 2.5 liter. But the 2.5 liter, dude, like don't discredit it. Like, that was like the engine that was against the RB25, you know what I mean? And like RB JZ thing, and the JZ always still 100% will destroy the RB thing. Like, you know, my opinion, my words, you know, you guys can have your opinions about that or whatever the deal is, but I mean, just don't discredit the 1JZ, guys. I mean, we've done so many 1JZ cars, 550, 600, 630, 640 horsepower, and like still driving today. Reliable as crap. Like, you have to understand, the stroke on the 1J is like shorter. So because it's shorter, you have more rev. So like the stock engine on a 1J, the stock RPM, like red line on a chaser, was like 7,200, 7,300. Your stock 2JZ red line, you guys, is 6,500 RPM. So if you're looking for like a revy drift car, time attack, like funner, like more streetable engine to drive around, I would still pick the 1JZ. You're looking for a race engine, you want to just fucking race and destroy shit, yeah, 2JZ of the world. But anyways, guys, let's get back to the shop. All right, guys, so it's about 9 o'clock. We're at the shop. The car is just getting all the finishing button-up stuff done and is ready to go home. Danny's on his way to go ahead and do the 2-step, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Go ahead and enjoy all the little pops and bangs you're going to get from the car. And until next time, guys, peace. it.